My dear viewer, one more new vacancy. Job position, bike repair technician. Number of vacancy, 2. Payroll company, Spectrum Talent Management Limited. Industry, beverages. Required qualification, higher secondary, diploma, ITI. Required experience, who have worked as a bike repairing engineer. Working location, Kolkata. Working time, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. and weekly 1 day off. Salary range, hours 15,000 to hours 18,000 in hand and PF plus ESIC plus fuel allowance. Job role, repairing company bikes. To apply this position call 8777029785. Notice, free joining, free placement. Regards, Smart Work Job. We are coming back with new job soon. Follow us. Thanks in advance.